iBafana Bafana itimisele ngekuhlungela iAfrica Cup of Nations letawube isemnyakeni lotako eCameroon. Ligciwane icorona lichubeke njalo ke ngekubhedzisa tinhlelo telicembu lesive kanjalo nekulimala kwebadlali.
Bradley Grobler had an injury. He had to be pulled out. I had a conversation with the Super Sport medical team. We also had to see the MRI scan that was done. Kemit also had a ankle injury. Had a lengthy discussion with Mamelodi Sundowns, both doctors.
Umceceshi Mulefinseki akakhona ukutfola abadlali labadlala mshiyalo wa lokhu kwentiwa ukuthi kunemithefo leqinile tekuhamba eEurope.
Bongani Zungu is not coming, Dean Ferman is not coming, Serrero is not coming, and also Keegan is not coming. So we are still negotiating with the clubs to see if ever they can release those players.
To be honest, they will not be coming to South Africa, those that haven't arrived. So the next negotiation now is for them to come and join us in Sudan.
Nyalo-ke lonke litsimba likubadlali labadlala khona lapha ekhaya. Vincent Pule, Thabang Munare, Lebohang Mabuwe, Mthobi Mvala na Thabo Nodada akanye neThabiso Kutumela sebabitiwe nabo ecenjini lesive.
We don't want to have the same situation as the last time we qualified for AFCON 2019, where we had to leave it to the end against the Libya team. For us, is to make sure that we get a full result and go to Sudan, knowing very well that we've qualified.
We said that we want to win all our home games, and so far so good. We got 2 out of 2, and we want to keep that momentum going. So going into the Ghana game, we want to keep that record going.
iBafana Bafana ivakashelwa yiGhana ngelesine ngemva kwekuthi ivakashele iSudan ngelisonto. Mina ke ngingumduduzi Ndlovu. Leti tindzaba teSABC.